The Kobelco philosophy has always been to do more with less, and that's in the DNA of these new Dash 6 series mini excavators. Starting out with the SK28, which is a 2.8 tonne machine, and going all the way to the SK55 SRX-6, which is a 5.5 tonne machine. A few of the main new features on these machines are the integrated noise and dust reduction cooling system. That stops a lot of debris getting into the cooling package, and that's particularly important on these smaller machines where all your cooling package is confined, and it also reduces the external noise. The new S-digging mode means you can save up to 25% on fuel compared to the previous Dash 5 models, and that means you could save up to $2,500 depending on the hours that you work. We've also moved the boom light to make it under the boom now, which means there's less risk of that light getting damaged. All the new machines are available in cab or canopy options, and we now have an SK45 SRX, which has the larger cabin, means the average Australian operator can fit in it a bit better. We also have the colour liquid crystal display on the new Dash 6, and that allows you to keep track of the vitals of the machine and also track your maintenance, so you can see where each service is required on each particular item, your oil, hydraulic filter, fuel filter, and it also allows you to keep track of your working hours by calendar day. Kobelco is widely known for reliability, and we've now increased our factory warranty to be a 4-year, 4,000 hour full machine warranty, which gives you peace of mind in the field. We're really proud of these new machines. They're packed full of features which we believe will save you time and money. From 2.8 tonne right through to 5.5 tonne, there's a model to suit every application. Kobelco has dealers in every state and territory around Australia with an extensive parts supply and factory trained technicians. So for more information, duck in and see your local dealer or visit our website.